right, today I'm gonna bring one of the best 3D print glues out there for a PLA. Fell in love with it the first time I bought it. I bought the second bottle. This is my third bottle actually. Pasting all my 3D models with it. We're gonna set it up, and right now we're doing the city of LA. We're gonna put it together, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is. All right, so I felt it a little hot. This thing gets a little, like, you can see some chemical reactions, so you can wear gloves if you want. It's optional, but I would say wear gloves as safety precautions. But not me today. Marry them now. So we're gonna marry them now here. Make sure it's nice and level. Paste this one too. This one we're gonna have to paste. There we go. Throw excessive glue out of there. Wilshire Grand, First Interstate, Walter Venture Hotel. All right, after a couple minutes, look at this. Completely sealed. You can almost don't need to do anything pretty much. The cement is really good. So that's just one piece of a bigger piece I'm building. So hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.